These four buttons correspond respectively to fulfilling heads. Lift back to the origin is where the filling head returns to the center. The feed stop cylinder is this one. The other one is discharge stop cylinder. This is conveyor. Click turn wave up. Jog down. This is current lifting position, which can be saved to the parameters. You can save it here. It represents that when the machine starts, the filling head will run to the position you set. This represents descending to the position you have set. The first four respectively represent the filling times of the four filling heads. The last two do not need adjustment. The first one on the right shows the delay rise of the filling head after filling. This is the speed at which the filling head rises during filling. This is the speed at which the filling head descends. These will correspond respectively to four filling heads. Used to adjust the filling speed. Click this button before starting the machine. The first one is start, and the second one is stop. This is turntable turns once. This is the conveyor belt. This is sealing motor. This is the bottle stopping cylinder. This is the lids feeding cylinder. This is the tray cylinder. Let's take a sealed can first. Here, about the height of one finger should be left. Click turntable turns once. Put the bottle in this position. Click tray cylinder, which will push the bottle up. Then turn it by hand. Just turn it until it can't be turned anymore. There is a handle in here. It is used to adjust the height of the entire workstation. Then there is a screw to lock this shaft. There are 3 shafts in total. Replace the metal rod according to the height of the bottle. The parameters in the parameter interface do not need to be adjusted. The rotational speed of the first concealer. The second one is the rotational speed of the turntable. The third one is turntable alarm torque. The fourth one is origin compensation pulse. After you fix it in a position, if you want to shift it left or right, use this. This is bottle stopping time. This is delayed cover delivery time. It is the time between sensing the bottle and placing the cap. The third one doesn't need adjustment. This is that after completing an action, the turntable started only after a delay.